Hey friend, do you know why you are eating what you are eating, even though you do not want to eat that for that particular time or any time throughout the day? Or maybe you are doing something which was not in your list, not your agenda of that day, but still you are investing your valuable time in that activity and not getting time for your workout, for moving your body. Why it is happening? And that is the topic for today's video. That is the power of choices. So let me welcome you to the 13th video of the series. 13 let let me welcome you to the 13th video of this video series of 30 major causes of failure on your fitness journey. So before moving ahead, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you at the end of this video, if you like the content, please like, comment and share with your friends and family so that they can also get aware of the fitness and they will thank you. So hi, I am Vilas Patil, the host for this channel and this video, and I bring such valuable content on the fitness, on weight loss to you to serve you better. So today's topic is power of choices. What is the power of choices we make, and whether they are good or bad for us, we will understand. So you will see here selection of activities of the day. If priorities are not set, then non-important, listen once again, non-important things become your priority. Then planning week in advance or lack of prioritizing things means whether you know to prioritize it or whether you do not know to prioritize it, that made a great impact on you throughout the day. Many people think that if you are working in the morning or if you are eating some food, that is enough for your fitness, but that is wrong. That is completely wrong. How you are behaving in your 24 hours in one day, that puts the major mark on your fitness. Whether you will be in your fit body, in your the same shape or good shape, that will be decided by your 24-hour activities. So even if you are not prioritizing some things, you are not making good choices, and you are doing things which are not planned, which are not in your day wise agenda, and if you are doing it at the end of the day when you are going to bed, when you are going for sleeping, you will recall all those things that, oh my god, I had to do these things but I haven't done this. Why? So you will get stressed, you will become more anxious, you will feel very frustrated, you will find yourself irritated, and all these three things will impact on your health. They will generate negative energy, they will create negative chemicals in your brain, and from that negativity, instead of remaining fit and losing weight, you will rather increase some weight, because when your body is not at peace or not stable, your recovery process does not work properly. And that's why people many times ignore this part of making choices, what they want to eat, at what time, how they want to eat, what should be their complete day schedule, what they want to wear, how they want to represent themselves, then when they want to wake up, when they want to sleep, when they want to work out, what kind of workout they want to do on that particular day. If these choices are not done in advance, if you do not prioritize all these things for your next week, for 3 days, 5 days, or whatever is feasible for you, then you will get stuck in all those activities and unwanted food what you are eating right now. You will get stuck with that. Let me give you the best example of how the people are getting grabbed and stuck in the things which they do not want. The best example is the big bazaar or the mart. When you go in big bazaar, they make some lanes, lane 1, lane 2, lane 3, and different kind of products are placed, put out there. When you walk through that walkways, and when you turn, on the turning they keep some very attracting, appealing kind of products and appealing offers. So from that offers you go there, was there, and many times 90%, if you observe yourself, 90% times, 80% things you have bought which was not in your list, which was not in your agenda, but still you had planned that I will spend, I will purchase some up to 1000 rupees, because these things are will come under 1000 rupees. But when you make your bill, you will find your bill has gone up to the 4000 or 5000 rupees. That is what, if you do not have your choices pakka, then you will get stuck with unwanted expenditure, unwanted eating, overeating, emotional eating out there, not working out, because when you eat unwanted things, your body will not respond you to be feel light, and then you will go for any workout, even you will not get a good kind of sleep. So making choices is also one of the major reason which is obstructing, which is stopping you to become fit, to get into your dream body shape and remain fit for your lifetime. So you need to work on your making choices for your day, for your week in advance, especially on your foods and in your workout timings and your sleep. In the next in I think 15th video, I will be talking on the importance of rest, importance of sleep. On that video we will discuss in detail on the rest part. So till that time, I request you to please work on your choices for you throughout the day, because if you make your choices correctly and strictly stick with them, then you will not get stuck with another unwanted things, and that will give you pleasure. And when you are happy, your brain release happy chemicals, and that happy chemicals make you lose weight, make your health more attracting, more appealing to other people, correct? So on that note, this video is so on that note, I am signing off here till we meet again in the next video. But before closing this video, do like, do comment, and do share this video, this content with your friends, family and figures. And again, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.